Confirmation hearings begin Monday on Capitol Hill for President Biden's Supreme Court nominee, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. If approved, she would be the first African-American woman to serve on the highest court in the country. It's a distinction, believe it or not, that one of her friends first predicted way back when they met in college. Nancy Cordes caught up with three of Judge Jackson's oldest friends.
I've always known she could be the one.
Lisa Fairfax has known Ketanji Brown Jackson for more than half her life, cheering her on as she went from public defender to federal judge to Supreme Court nominee.
The unmitigated joy of seeing someone that I love be nominated is why I'm still smiling right now and probably getting ready to tear up.
Fairfax is 1/4 of a remarkable quartet. 4 women who met their freshman year at Harvard University and all went on together to Harvard Law School.
I think it was divine intervention.
Like Fairfax, Antoinette Coakley is now a law professor. Nina Simmons is a corporate attorney.
We met, we bonded, we became roommates, and then we became lifelong friends.
Fairfax says it was a young Ketanji Brown, the child of 2 teachers, who pushed her friends to excel.
I remember she would say to me, so much can be done early in the morning.
Like, really? You're like, we're in college.
Yeah,
I think I'll sleep in.
I'm trying to sleep right now. But that was her, always focused and dedicated.
By sophomore year, Coakley was openly predicting that her roommate would someday be the first black woman to be named to the Supreme Court.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. I am truly humbled.
That is really true. That is really true. I thought if there was ever an opportunity for someone that came from our background to ascend to those heights, it would be her. It had to be her. She had the keen intelligence, the brilliance, the ability to bring people together.
But believing it and seeing it happen are 2 different things.
President Biden has narrowed his list of potential Supreme Court nominees to 1.
I just pulled over. I just sat in the car. I'm sobbing hysterically. My hands are shaking. Immediately, I call Nina, and Nina picks up, and I just scream. We're screaming like, oh my God!
We just screamed, jumping up and down. My kids were like, "What's wrong? What's wrong?" I'm like, "Ah!" And then I guess someone texted my daughter, and she's like, "Okay, I know why you're screaming."
Now they call themselves her hype team as she plows through meetings with dozens of senators.
I've been sending her scriptures and prayers and, songs that I know will inspire her and encourage her, because this is a lot.
Some moments are harder than others.
How did you feel, and how did she feel, when you heard some people saying, well, President Biden established a quota, and she's just going to be there to meet a quota?
How I felt is that they don't understand. They don't understand that if there's a barrier in place, you can't ignore it. What does it mean, her nomination and hopefully confirmation? What does it mean? It means America. Come on, yes. This is who we want to be. This is who we said we want to be.
And there's another first to think about here, too. If confirmed, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson would be the first former public defender to sit on the high court, meaning that for years she represented defendants who otherwise could not have afforded an attorney, a right enshrined in the Constitution. Gayle?
You can always count on your girlfriends to get you through and support you and lift you up. Thank you, Nancy. That was really lovely.